Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this presentation very fast. Okay, you see it has some effect. Let's try to create it. At first we need to add a new slide. In this slide we need to create these rectangles. They are easily created. Triangles, they're easily created by clicking on the shape, holding shift, and tada, it's created. Now you need to create 3 of them. You can create 3 of them by holding control and copying them. We are using these things. After creating that, it's important for you to understand you need to align them, send this thing to back and send this thing to back, and then write your text on them. And after writing your text, you need to recolor them and also format them and give them a nice and beautiful shadow. I'm going with this shadow, or you can get top shadow, everything you want. After doing that, you copy this slide and then press Ctrl A, shape format, and then go to align and align them center and middle. And then send the transition to morph. Now, whenever you run, you see the effect that happened. If you like this kind of video, you find many of them in my channel. Until then, don't forget to like and subscribe.